Hi there, MPI Middle Pennsylvania. My name is Meredith Commender, and I am going to be speaking with you guys in a couple of months on event efficiency and how to improve the efficiency of your processes and your events themselves. I'm really excited to come and speak with you guys. So a couple of points are going to be covering throughout the presentation. I'm going to talk about different software tools that you can use, whether they're apps or software for your computer that can increase your efficiency both in your planning and also with staff management, communications management, all those little types of software tools that we can use to help make things more efficient in our daily lives. And that includes also systems for email, contracts, and even elements of efficiency for helping you better organize all of the data that we have to store and manage for all of our events. I'm going to talk through how to be more efficient with things like your site inspections, your event install days, and even managing things like destination events and travel, and different techniques you can use to help you be maximizing your efficiency for things of that nature. I'll also be talking about how to really tighten up your timelines, your run of show, in order to make sure that the program itself and the production of the event runs very efficiently and smoothly without a lot of redundancies or time wasting elements. I'll also really touch on even some little tips for making efficient use of your budget with event decor, how to make sure that you're making the most of the budget you sometimes have to give a big wow for the elements that you are given to work with. And that also includes working with your event toolbox, just things that you have on site that day and how they help you to be more efficient and to run your events most efficiently. And we'll also kind of follow up with just some professional tips and tricks about how we can better work with our colleagues and our clients to always be working with them most efficiently, and how to be building those great vendor planner relationships by not doing things that absorb too much time or end up frustrating each other due to lack of efficiency. So I'm really excited to speak with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in a couple of months.